Zero to Hero, Power Workshop 2.0, Module 2, Secure Remote Work, Configuring User and Device Trust for Remote Access VPN Users. Cisco Secure Access by Duo integrates with Cisco Secure Firewall VPN to add two-factor authentication, adaptive policy, and user device trust checks to AnyConnect logins. Secure Access by Duo can add two-factor authentication to multiple vendors of VPN connections in a variety of ways. Regardless of the gateway or client, Duo provides a consistent access experience while applying zero trust principles to a traditional trusted entry point into corporate networks. And so you can see a flow diagram here that gives you an idea of where these elements sit, but we're going to get right into this right now. All right, we're in the Duo admin dashboard. And from here, we're going to go to applications. We're going to protect an application and we're going to search for ASA. We're going to go ahead and select the Duo with SSO hosted by Duo. So actually scroll down here. Yeah, that one there. Let's go ahead and click protect. Now we've got some details here. Let's go ahead and add the service provider base URL host name. So this will be the FQDN of our VPN connection, and then we'll add our tunnel group. Now this has to be the same name as the tunnel group that we're using within ASA. And we'll save that out. And from here, let's go ahead and download the certificate. Ensure to select keep when you get the warning here. I come back and do that after, but just keep in mind that you have to go ahead and hit keep. All right, so let's go ahead and apply a policy. We're going to add our employees policy to this particular application. And that looks good. And let's go ahead and keep that certificate as I mentioned earlier. And I think that's pretty much it here. Let's go ahead and scroll down. And let's just change the name actually from the default to Zero Trusty Widgets VPN. And now we can go ahead and save. All right, so that looks good. Let's go ahead and log into our ASA. We're going to capture some elements from the Duo admin console and we're going to copy them into our SAML configuration within the ASA platform. So let's go ahead into configuration, remote access VPN. And first, we're going to go ahead and import that certificate that we downloaded from Duo. So let's go ahead and do that. This will be our Duo trust point. So let's give it a name, Duo_SSO. Let's go ahead and browse that file that we downloaded. And install certificate. Go ahead and send, hit OK. All right, so certificate's in. Let's go ahead and go to our network client access and go to AnyConnect connection profiles. And let's go to the tunnel group TG or connection profile, TGR remote access VPN, right? RA VPN. And here we're going to go ahead and manage SAML. We're going to go ahead and add. And this is where we're going to copy the elements from Duo. So entity ID. Let's go ahead and paste that in as is. And let's get in the sign in URL. Let's go back to Duo, copy. And here what we have to do is remove the HTTP from the copy and paste here, or don't copy HTTPS, but you get rid of it here and then change that to HTTPS. Let's go ahead and do the sign out URL. And then we'll go ahead and clean that HTTPS up here. Let's get rid of it. And select it. And then we'll put in our base URL. vpn.dcloud.local. Okay, identity provider. Let's go ahead and select the Duo SSO. And we'll change the request timeout to 300 seconds. And we'll go ahead and hit OK. Hit OK. Hit OK here. And then go ahead and apply. And we're going to save that out. And that's it. Moving on to the next step.